All right, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I never thought I'd have to do this, but this is actually my apology to the whole sneaker community. So if you can watch this video, I'd really appreciate it. And again, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry for shit. You know why? Because you guys complained. I have 1,500 subscribers. My landscaper has more than that, okay? You guys complained you wanted more shots, you wanted more information, so you're gonna get it, baby. We are gonna give you the most. I already know there's like 50 reviews of these online. I saw them all. You guys are gonna be more excited than 10-year-old boys when Harrison Novell posts a mystery box video. I am gonna give you every shot, detail, every look, every history, fabric information. Let's get ready, baby. Let's go. All right, ladies, hold on to your panties. This is the most coveted shot of all time by all sneakerheads and resellers, the infamous sneaker phone. So this is what this shoe looks like when you do the sneaker phone. If you hold it up like this, you can do it like that. I can actually hear the tears of the 15-year-old Vietnamese kid that made this Jordan. And I can actually hear Michael Jordan himself whispering to me, can you hear me now? I can hear you, Michael. You just hit another game winner. God, I look fucking hot. All right, one of the most coveted shots in the sneaker review is the box. So check this thing out. This box is amazing. I know you guys wanted footage of it. Let me just get you some information. All right, I think it looks like it's made out of paper. Yep, like some kind of like cardboard, I think. All right, so there's the shoes right there. Inside it's blue and there's got some white. All right, let me read the tag for you. Barcode number 194501088350016. Jordan 4 Retro University Blue, size 10. Made in Vietnam. See, I was right about the Vietnam stuff. Got a thing with Jordan, $200. Yep, 200 bucks. So this is the box. Hold on a second. One thing you guys definitely don't want to miss out is this is the upside down of the box. Yeah. So it says, you know what would be really hot though? Like, I kind of messed up. If I would have had like a picture of me flexing with like 50 of these, Bobby, like, dude, I would have like got massive girls. I would have got laid, like, I would have been Leonardo DiCaprio himself on the yacht with that shot. Damn it. All right, whatever, I'm not that cool, but here's the box. Let's keep going. We're gonna do some more shots. All right, if you wanna be a big shot sneaker reviewer like me, one of the things you gotta have is an outdoor shot. Everyone loves the outdoor shot. That's why I'm changing the way I do things. Here it is outside. You can see the Jordan 4 in natural colors. Oh my God, the freaking, I think this is cotton. Probably cotton, but like you got this vinyl, suede, the stitching on here is, everything is perfect. One thing I know everyone asks me, upside down. They're getting wacky at that Jordan company, I can tell you that much. But the tongue right here, this sucker right here, you can cut that off. I saw a video where a dude cut that off. I almost freaking fell out of my chair seeing that guy do that. What a rebel. But the outdoor shot, if you want to be cool online, you got to have the outdoor shot. He gets in that. This shoe was actually made in 1989. I just read about it. This is when Michael Jordan wore it. All right, guys, if you're manly like me and you chop wood like I just did here, one of the new coveted shots I just invented is the wood pile shot. So check out this footage of the shoes on the wood pile. You get a detailed look of the shoes on this wood that I chopped like a manly man. So now for all my sophisticated romantic viewers, I'm gonna give you like more of an in-depth, like, you know, like buttery, like wine type review of the shoe. So let's go ahead and lift this up. So like what you wanna do, like when you just wanna swirl it around like a fine glass of wine, like you're at a wine tasting in Napa Valley and you got, let me see what, oh my God. That smells like Chicago, you know, game 6 of the finals when Jordan hit that shot. Oh my God. Yeah, let me just, you stir it up and then it's just like, you can see, yeah, you can smell like the fabrics that go into this. Like you guys are right, I've been wrong this whole time. I gotta get more stuff about fabric. It's like really like when you're like looking at a shoe, like you want to be sophisticated as possible. Like it's very serious stuff, you know, and I can't believe I'm holding this shoe right now. Hold on a second. Oh my God. But yeah, like looking at this shoe, like you can definitely tell the fabrics probably came from France and then were shipped to Vietnam, would be my guess. Probably like the upper northern region of France. And I do remember that one thing in the, correct me if I'm wrong, Bobby. It was one of that documentary that ESPN did where they showed Jordan and the Bulls in Paris. I think that fabric was from that year when they did that thing. Probably around the time they made Space Jam, I would bet. That was a good one. But again, the smell definitely has that Chicago Dennis Rodman era feel, Pippen when he was upset. Like, just like that feel to it. You know, so really if you're sophisticated sneakerhead, you big ballers, you big shots, this right here is like your Chardonnay of Chardonnay, your Don Perignon of Jordan 4s. $200, I know that ain't nothing for you, but for me, that's a lot of money, folks, but unbelievable. I'm gonna get back to it. Oh my God, my life sucks. No guys, it's not over. I got another shot for you. I am going to show you what these shoes look like from space.